Today we will learn how you can develop critical thinking skills. Critical thinking is key for many aspects of life and an important skill for university study across a range of disciplines. No matter what you are studying, you will likely to be required to use critical thinking to interpret and analyze information. Strong critical thinking skills can help you form better argument in your assessments and assignments. If you are likely to improve your critical thinking in preparation for your studies, these strategies can help you develop good critical thinking skills. So, first one is don't believe everything you are told. The first step of critical thinking is to consider more than one point of view. It's important to go beyond trusting what you hear and read because everyone has its own opinion, motives, and biases. Evaluate every side of the story or problem and the strength and the weaknesses of the argument to make a decision. Next one is don't believe everything you think. It's easier said than done, but critical thinking requires you to leave your own opinion and biases at the door and embrace other information. Just because you have always done something a certain way doesn't mean it's the right way. Next one is ask question. It's the important point. If you are not sure about something you read in your textbook, don't be afraid to ask your teacher. Asking question is a great way not to only learn more about a topic but also to learn new ways of thinking about things. Next one is research deeper. The more information you have, the better. Doing your own research goes hand in hand with not taking what you have taught at face value. Research is your best friend when it's come to solving problem or to get your hand on similar sources to get a better prepared form of educated solution. Last one is evaluate your work. Critical thinking involves evaluation of the work and the strength of your argument to determine whether there is room for improvement or not. A great way to develop critical thinking skills is to engage in conversations with other students. It will help you evaluate your work, and either it can be in your classroom or common areas of your student accommodation like hostels and canteens. So these are the few skills, tips and that will help you learn critical thinking.